Hi everyone, my name is Janice Trang and this is my second demo video with Review Board for the 2018 spring semester. My project is to refactor how SCM tools are registered. In my last video, I had just finished creating an API in service.py to register SCM tools via a registry at startup. I created a few tests to assert its functionality and then began refactoring the tool and repository models. Since then, I have mostly completed the refactoring so that it passes the tests in the codebase. How it works now is like this. First, the old tool model is now called legacy tool, although it refers to the same database table under the hood. Then, the new tool class doesn't inherit from the models class, so it's not in the database, but instead can be instantiated by passing in the name of an SCM tool. Otherwise, it works pretty much the same as legacy tool, except it gets the SCM tool class from the registry. Then, in the repository model, in the tool property down here, if the SCM tool name does not exist, then we update it and set the legacy tool to be none. This was the bulk of refactoring, but I also had to replace old usages of legacy tool. For example, getting a tool with tool.objects.get can now be replaced by setting an SCM tool name in order to create a repository. Also, in the repository form, you can now pass in an SCM tool name rather than a tool ID. After a lot of tweaking, I'm now able to pass the tests in the different directories such as reviewboard.diffviewer, reviewboard.hostingservices, the reviews directory, the SCM tools directory, as well as web API. However, I should note that some tests are currently being skipped because I don't have SSH configured right now. After this was done, the next thing I worked on was a new command in SCM Tools management called migrate SCM Tools. And what it does is it loops through all the legacy tools in the database and updates the SCM tool name field and the legacy tool. However, this still needs testing, which I plan on starting next week. And that is the end of my demo video. Thank you for watching.